all colors for choosing. If you're not sure about your hair color, you can send me a picture. We will find the right one for you. Or you can also send us a hair sample. Okay, so with me. Now let's see next one. This one. Let's see this one. You can see the hair of this one. The density of this one is heavier. It's about 120% density. Because let's see the base. This is skin Swissless Max system. This area is Swissless, my favorite list. The rest, back, side, and back are skins. Skin is you can use tape or glue on the skin area, but you can only use tape on the lace. So when you wear it, it will when you use it, it's very easy for pick up. And you can see this area, the most area of this piece is Swiss lace. As I talked before, Swiss lace is my favorite. It is transparent, thin, and strong. And let's see the hair color. You can see this is light brown. This color is light brown. Number 7. Let's see the hairline. The hairline is super invisible. Can you see? You can see very invisible. This is very invisible. Let's see inside. Inside is invisible too. It's very invisible too. The density of this one is 120%. It's a heavier density. If you want something last longer, you can choose this base. This base is Skin Lace Max system, and the lace we use the Swiss lace. We call it Q6 system. This system can bring you a very nature looking, but also last longer. And we have different color and density for choosing. If you like, we also have lighter one and heavier ones. Whatever you like, we are available. Hi dear friends, thank you so much for watching my show. Thank you. Can see? The size of this one is 10 inches. Front to back is 10 inches. Side to side is 8 inches. We also have other size for choosing. If you want this one, you can tell us your size, all of your requirement. You can see the hair of this one is have one-time waves. After washing, it will become very nature straight. We also have curly hairs for choosing. As I said before, the only thing you need to do is let us know your requirement. Then we will find the perfect one for you. We hope everyone gets the suitable system and have a better looking. Thank you for listening. Now I will stop